The other day, somebody they comment for comment section. Now they say Tinubu is destroying this country. Now Tinubu aide reply, come on, shut up. The president is trying. Don't you know Tinubu does not sleep until 3 o'clock? Now another person reply, tell her make him sleep, make Nigeria wake up.
How many times has it been running?
Call the golden boy. He's the one who call the dollar remix. He's the one who call the freshest, the goldest, the American boy of the comedy of Nigeria. Make some noise for the freshest, the sexiest, the poppiest daddy, the one and only Acapella!
May Two-Face no go lose in voice. Baba, I don't crack you, Chris, where Two-Face they hate me. If you no laugh, thunder fire you. I know say you, man. You know, say this work, I don't collect Kanayo direct number yesterday. So what that comedy work or you know work, Baba, they okay. Ah yes, I kill 2 people. If I even kill you now, overkilling. Baba, this 2025, if you like say never starts, they work for you. On that Tinubu, now you get this belly. Baba, the way Tinubu they rule Nigeria, I be like, they give target, kill them before January 4th. What did they happen? Baba, if you see hungry, my guy hungry, so in face don't lean, you know they feel open the phone again. Once he put and not recognize. This new year, anywhere where you see food chop, fasting go plenty from 2nd week. And they advise you now. Now, you know, say when I entered Benin this morning, the boy run me street. Me and my boys go do show for nature. Now we drive reach Ring Road. We miss the address. Instead of to the waste time, now I tell my driver, call Keke, make he lead us. Now the Keke carry us from Ring Road, reach the... As we reach the hotel, now I ask him how much. He said 36,000. I say for waiting. They come from Ghana. He said now 36,000. I said how much from Ring Road to this place? He said 3,000. I said why it can't be 36,000? Now I look inside the bus. Counter now, be 12. They charge us per head. I go buy singlets. The boy say 80,000. I say now bulletproof. He said if you no go buy liver and whiskey, they come. Because it's where whiskey comes, singlet or cascas. Whiskey just they play safe. The other day, somebody they comment for comment section. Now they say Tinubu is destroying this country. Now Tinubu aide reply, come on, shut up. The president is trying. Don't you know Tinubu does not sleep until 3 o'clock? Now another person reply, tell her make him sleep, make Nigeria wake up.
How many times has it been running?
No wonder Nigeria they sleep since. Because the way Nigeria they go now, all of us get trust issue. That's why you go see abroad, when you go elevator, or you go see elevator, 2 buttons. One they go, come. Where they happen to the mic? Do well, now free show, casino no really give me money. I know too really stressed like that. If the mic just, you know. But the way casino they beg, I feel saying less privilege go full here. Casino beg, he say, ba. They know they buy. No gonna be this. Bini one no. Oh, the mic don't work, sha. Oh, I don't be forget. It's how you explain say. Baba age don't come. Now Tinubu they make us forget things. Nigeria nothing they work the way they explain now. One of my guys passed out for America. When you go where the guy passed out, now you see one alcohol beside that. The name of the alcohol now knockout. The thing knock him out. Nigeria, my guy find sleep 6 months. You know, see sleep. Nothing they no recommend. They say me take Valium 5. He take him, no work. They recommend Optalidon. He take him, no work. Somebody say me take Flagy. I say wetin concern Flagy and sleep. The guy say if you take him quick, he go quick sleep. The cause okay, make it the exercise, make the jog for morning. The guy jog, you know work. Nothing they no recommend. Nothing work until somebody recommend Jehovah Witness book, Awake. As my guy read Awake, he enter coma. It be like saying, no, Nigeria. I say, when Oyibo reach elevator, Oyibo go see two, in one they go up, one they come down. If they go up, you go press up. If they come down, you go press down. Nigeria, once we reach the elevator, we they press the two buttons. If you no go up, you go. Because we get trust issue. Now only as they buy jollof rice, say, madam, put small stew. We know the way they cook up. Don't really know what I go sweet, the way they explain now. Because the average Nigerian, now you be your own security. See now what would they drive they come from Lagos? They go, because this period I just they do shows around the east. One guy just look me, and the guy say, this thing look like Acapella, but if you see where they deny Acapella. But the people they talk this thing. Who be this? Give me better mic now. I don't even really tire for this, so I don't get money now, so comedy no really work. I'm into real estate and robbery.
Go and sit down.
I'm into real estate and robbery. Yes, I rob cream. Then at the first show, he said they use manual hold microphone. I say no hold like this. So I got the whole microphone. They careful. I like my Igbo brothers. I enter one Igbo man shop early morning. Nothing don't happen. Don't say Igbo man get accent. As I enter the shop, 8 a.m., he can not open beer. Say, na Acapella, drink beer, I get bad day. I say, God forbid. 8 o'clock, your day don't spoil. Make me come drink beer. Nice Acapella, just drink beer, I get bad day. I say, can I stop that rubbish? By 8, people never even wake up. Your day don't spoil. Instead of you go, they cry, they say, man, drink beer. After 2 minutes, now the guy said, na Acapella, if you go drink beer, drink. If you no go drink beer, leave her. I said, drink beer, I get bad day. Now today, them bomb me. Now my bad day. Now my bad day. Every Igbo man has a second shop. I don't know who they pay the rent. Just go Igbo man shop, say, now I want buy LGTV. He said, my brother, no worry. It's the second shop. I don't know why the thing not always the first shop. And you know, say Igbo man, nobody say you get pride, you just get glory. Igbo man glory too much. It is sincere, special. You never imagine say God they call us on phone. God fit call Yoruba man. Hello, this is God Almighty. Yoruba man never even hear anything. As he just hear God, he go start to beg. Father, I'm just coming, no. I didn't do anything, no. Or God will call Hausa man. Hello, this is God Almighty. You go, yeah, Osama, call me back, I want to pray. Look who you want to pray to, they call you. But if God call Igbo man, you say you go feel him. Cha Igbo kwenu. As God shout, hello, this is God Almighty. You go see Igbo man. Nah, be serious, here a business phone, no. Don't waste my time, more. Then the voice go come again. Hello, this is God Almighty. Igbo man go question God. If you are God, what's my name? Me and you know God will come with the correct answer. And then God goes, your name is Ikenna. He goes, see, but mine goes spread. He said, nah, God, hold on. He go meet his friend. Ekene, God just call me now, big boy. Hello, God, how are you? God go say, fine. He said, nah, God, I've been praying since you are not answering. And one man, I supply container, he was going back, accident, kill him. Nah, God, Saturday, I send him back here. Let it come. And you know, so when would they go church? We know they go church genuinely. No, everybody will go crossover this year. Now to go tax God. That's why you go to hear my 2025, my year of doings. 2025, me now like this 2025, my year of betting. Baba, I know they bet football again, no. Now they boxing. I they bet boxing. At least if I lose, I know so the best way make me lose, I help me Peter. Bastard. I put money for you, they go they lose me. Peter, I'm not idiot. And you know, so if you dey bet, once you carry 5 games, betting, nothing give hope, reach betting, you know. Once you carry 5 games, the first 4 go show green. For your mind, go to say you don't know how to bet. You see that last game, you go carry over 1.5. You dey find 2 goal. 60 minutes, they go lock cash out. You now go call the hope. Make them just call one now. We will not go church genuinely. If you want to go church or you go to Mina, you have a worship song. You go no say that from their heart. They won't go church, you go hear song. I just want to be where you are, dwelling daily in your presence. I don't want to worship from afar. Draw me near to where you are. Before we go church, we dey want God. There is something that makes me, because nothing there will not come. All our songs, give me, you go to hear people, they shout for God. You promise that you will carry my load. And I give you. When we go introduce God, hear the way they introduce God. He is the King of kings. He is the Lord of lords. His name is Jesus. Jesus, to introduce God, we go involve money. We go to tell you, He's a great provider. Now that we sing, Jesus, na big man. Who know what's a big man they do? Money. Everything collect. Now they try worship God now. Those is what was small, no worship song. Now worship song day. You go hear the song. Lord, you reign, ever you're the same. I got my turugi, mama, the church will say. You go hear song, He's done so much for me. I cannot tell it all. Everybody say. Do you know that when we were young, there was no gospel song? Every song, na question and answer. We go there, the answer useless question. Will you be ready when the Lord shall come? After this, they will ask another question. What shall we do today? After this, they will ask another question. Who is greater than Jehovah, Lord divine? Brother, are you a winner? Then to help you catch a break, they will still do something. You must participate. You come here. They will come sing one song, pretend like say they don't want to ask you question. The question they come. You get and since I was born, and now I am getting old. Question, listen, brother, have you seen it? Then you go to church and they sing song. When they sing the parts where you know your voice is loud. When they reach where you don't know, you go enter spirit. You know that song? Hey, we wo, hey, we wo. Let's go. Okay. Hey, we wo. You call it Hosanna. I
want to say this. One thing about the rich, all right? One thing about the rich, I want to explain the difference between rich and poor. If I talk about you, you will shout, praise the Lord. Do you know both the rich and the poor borrow money? Are you aware? The rich borrow, the poor borrow. Difference. Rich borrow to invest, poor borrow to impress.
Nobody will no fit to make up. Nobody will no.
Thank you. Happy New Year. I don't try you. If not be juju, this is what they use for now. How now they show till this time? I get patient too. If not Lagos show as I come so now just bouncers and waitresses I will talk to. No, now so now be known at the show love. Make some noise. Waiting. All right, I hear so now don't hear. I forget how I get show. Now they can't wake me. Jesus, I want a refund for New Year. Leader, how are you? How far now? That man when you promise for UK. No, now. You big bastard. You don't carry this life, go UK. Eh? You see what I put out for you for UK that day. Say, mommy, living is my friend. It will not disappoint you. Just I don't disappoint you. How are you? All right. You know, so I don't do that. I said, when I calm down before we start problem. All right. After I don't hear music, when I don't hear this, now I want to preach. I feel preaching. Beautiful. Listen to me. Forget all the prayer one I don't pray for 9 to enter the 1st of January. Leader. Didi. How you doing? This one, you know, sitting up front, you did down before. This one, you know, they go back. So, I know when you say next year, you did VIP. DVD, are you? You know, say this building, they don't tell you, say your money, they go down. Now your table, they go to shift. Can we start properly? Anybody when I follow talk like that, no saying I'm my personal person. You understand? If I don't talk about you, no verse, you need to also. Okay. I say all the prayer we don't pray for now, everything. If you don't see walk, you will see beg. This year. I know what they talk. Anybody that have been programmed to make up, if you go get bad character, you go see make up by your team. Person when Queen Mother go bath because of stress and spiritual problem. You know say Queen Mother they bath the idiot for river, he prick this time. Some of you are destined for success, so now your character they delay you. I will lie for you. Full names: Ogene Kokoya, Ogene Bure, Onabi Desmond. The comedy catalyst, the other one of Nigerian comedy, no me the one of Additional Kingdom, the other Ben Koye one, Ego na Bomo one. Multiples award-winning comedian for 6 years now. Alright? By birth I be comedian and I'm funny. Can we start properly? When devil went destroy your life, the first thing when they remove a sense of humor. Nothing that makes sense to you anymore. When you will not say your own don't worst. Now when people they happy because they bless you. First they laugh and you reverse while you laugh. So please. Leader, how are you? You came? They support all these boys, so God bless you. Right. So please, everything I will say here to make you laugh, they are all lies, please. If I talk anything when you pass through, I'm joking. I don't begin show now go follow one man talk. I don't know say that God they speak to me. As I perform the man in front, they disturb. The way they disturb, I don't say no they connected to the table. Then everybody does sit down, they make one space. And I say, I will feel, and I say, I will corner. Now I enjoy. As I perform the man they talk, I saw God keep quiet at 42. You don't go respect yourself. No one said the man was actually 42. You know, say, as you finish, as I go outside, the man stand near my motor, they cry. He forgets how to be comedian. You know, say, to let person believe you know how to, just tell her one thing won't be true. And the man said, man of God, help me. I said, how should I help him? He said, who told you about me? I said, God spoke to me. He said, so how you tell us I'll be 42? I said, God spoke to me. He said, the one when he paid, how tell us they stay with your younger brother? I said, God spoke to me. He said, ask God, which I will do. So please, whatever I say here to make you laugh, please, they are all lies. Alright? But in case God bring your case, so don't feel bad. This country no hard. Now you get big project. When I finish, one I talk and continue. I did ignore her though. Somebody say Hassan took cost. Hassan no cost. And you won't stay near people. Okay, you don't know. But my friend rent a 4-bedroom duplex, 2 swimming pool, 1 up, 1 down. I said, where the house? They say Lekki Ekpe Express. I said, Lekki Ekpe Express, 4-bedroom, 2 swimming pool. How much? He said 35.8. I said dollars, he said naira. Eh? Not be tell you. 3 years old. That's where they are. They say Lekki Ekpe Express. Lekki Ekpe Express, 38. How? I say where the house they? Now that problem. They say my guess. Mumumi I call the guess. I say Chevron. He said no. Man go from small. I say Awoyaya. He said no. Man see the go. I say Beju. He say I'm close. It's a bold name. He say it's too true from. I say Ore. He say you just eat. Continue small. This life too sweet, oh. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your life, oh. One never get money and they say they do 3 songs, they waste money, oh. Say sorry. If you are with your wife, don't laugh for this joke. Baba, you know the way they educate people now, how to laugh for my. You know my matter now. Okay, you explain to madam. This kind of joke, you know, go laugh, you go look your wife, and your wife they laugh, you laugh your wife. Jesus, you know what you did? You're there with 3 guests, you there with one out there they play with TV. Listen to me, I don't want to be poor because I don't get smarting, so I don't know the difference. Listen. No big man yet. DVD, as then you just go buy shoe. Who said the shoe go cut? You say so around. I check my phone. 1 million from who to who? Tires. Now promise all you do. Can know what you do for UK up here. Oh, you do plenty. You try, you not be small money, you spend that day. 100 pounds, not be small money. You say, wait. Now you want something. 1 million. If now you give me your phone for believe. Because this guy, when he tell me for Asaba before I say anything, when they spray me, go collect small thing. Now it be this now. Now me and I there Abuja now for Kevin wedding now. Now be the cash when they pick money when they spray. Okay, who should man put that before the for this kind for they get luck. This for when they win for dancing competition. Talents, but you get my account number now. Take. You don't get my account number. Eh? Might give out to you, the big boy. Hello, sorry. The rich is talking. I still get time, what they do you? Not my time. Providus. The rich accountant. I know when you pay to go watch me. When I know vessel, you know, say smart and the best woman. Why is he wasting our time? I should perform.
Oga, it's a lie.
Now my performance are this. We joke funny past 1 million.
Money where we got yo, you know go finish yo. Amen.
That's why I want to educate you how to enjoy success. Terence, you don't change your number. Mark caller. Okay. No, I don't send that to you. No, Mark also I made a go hack Mark. You know, I say, DJ, wait now. I they talk about money, they play bluffy, idiot. You get Amabi? Correct. Do it. You say, wait. Keep quiet. This person won't send the money now. You senior than
Done so much for me.
Sing it for me.
I cannot tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, it still wouldn't be enough.
Hey, now so like be. Who they control the time? Now one start. You say waiting. You say the time dog. Now wow, people they marry you. Somebody marry you.
My mama asked me, say, when will you
Marry.
this year, next year?
Listen to me. Poverty no good. Do you know the difference between the rich and the poor? It's not hard. It's not far-fetched. The poor warm soup, the rich microwave. Oh, the poor now go vest now. That's why I like doing. You know. One thing about the rich. You don't understand the joke. Terence. One thing about the rich. You know, say. Because the guys sit down like who they advise.
I don't suffer no be small. Almost say I get sense. Poverty no good at all.
Listen to me. Everybody gets sense, but the application of sense might be wisdom. Many people not get the part of reality when I talk. Jeez. Listen to me. Abba. Which will be relaxed? Which will be relaxed? Now, Shenik Bank they use. I know Tareso. Anything I make me drop this mic now, I don't drop before no.
If you ask the woman what she want,
Life too sweet. Waiting. Leave. He said, waiting. See who the operator can. See who the tell me say don't come. Sir? I beg. Everything you do, you may end here. Or you be like, who get bad boys? I know they want. You see, the worst word when I did see. If DVD want to talk to me, I will say, this guy, you will hear from me. When poor man want to talk, you will hear from we. Life too sweet. Jesus. Sent Abi. Not true. For a duplication, and someone guy tell me say sent to, and me get debit. Never get a lot. I've been an email share. $100K. 1 million. Now because I don't trust you, I see your receipt.
Me dey gbegbe for my chairman.
You know, say, if person send money to you, you know, say everybody gets expectation, high expectation. Imagine that DVD send money to person. Maybe now DVD, for example, now casino got me say DVD send money. Say man give you. I can't say how much because the DVD say man give you 30,000. First of all, I don't believe. Now I want to confirm. Any day I see DVD, see the one go thank her. About thank you for the 30,000 when you. Life now wisdom, oh. You not reporter, oh. You dey appreciate what he give you. Now DVD go say 30,000. Because I'm sorry, I don't want to scatter on a friendship.
Now money they stop nonsense.
All right, I'm sorry. Let's start properly. Which bank you? Wow. Because I know say normally on the second I like the fast. Not be month end. Okay, I trust you. I trust you. I beg. Who they use Starlink? Yeah. I need to check this. My guy. Anyway, no problem. If you come, fine. If you don't come, fine. You say what? Tares, God bless you. All right? God bless you. You should be, God bless you. All right? If you come, then if you don't come, now you and God. Now, listen to me. To be poor too hard. Ask me why. The poor too get rules. They too get rules. Poor? My show is coming up. Let's talk about that crusade. Today, my show now today, I did the hustle. Let's talk about that crusade. Asaba. See, the full comedians are only has of the stocker. She didn't want to be trained. They don't funny die. That's what we're doing. I don't. That guy when he's still near me now, Ricardo Banks, when Tinubu did. I don't an alternate sound. For those of you who are not getting to go today, the 5 venue, come Asaba. It's a premium show. Feel very free. Now when I do Asaba show, now I know Asaba made a stress person. You carry table, go give the table of 3 million, instead of give you 500, they'll spray 2.5. Not be their fault. Now what I plan to be, now I not be. Because by right, as I did now, I'm supposed to sit down, Tares could perform.
This life is beautiful.
No, now how I plan my life. You said that this one I did. You know what I plan to become? Aeronautics engineering. No. You said what? He said aero contractor. God. This illiteracy is bad. Aeronautics happen when you repair plane. No go fit know. When I come up for where? At least as today, this table near you, you didn't do something, immediately kill. Because I know say this your table, now you buy. This one I compliment you. That's your goal. I don't like on her face for this table. I don't like on her face, especially this man and this man. See, wait, cameraman. Who the video? Hello? This camera. The video display your DC for you. See this my head. I don't remember the Equatorial Guinea. I've been at the man. Listen to me. Where did pay me for the full video, listen, that man, now, you know what that man do? He put, who know about Equatorial Guinea before? That man unite the world. See where people they struggle for that video. You know how many people join Telegram? I know say Telegram if you join the whole world they know. I just Tares join Telegram. Tares. DVD join Telegram. DVD. Now shut up. I said, Papa, what did they do for Telegram? He said, I beg, which episode you take? Now, what did shock me? Married by listen, though. You know, say, when they release this guy, they call Grant an interview. You know what did the guy talk with pride? He said, please, I owe nobody apology. Please, married men, take care of your wife. I'm done. I cannot help you guys anymore. Yeah. See no one happen again. Is that what it is? Now let's go back to I'm discussing poverty and look at me now. At this age, you dey do Tinder. At this 2 kilometers away for more or early on the second. And this is your do the resolution. Oh. Say, Father, I will not carry a show. You know, we say of all app, Tinder. Anybody want dating and a big boy? I get one of my guys there. They used to go. To go. You remember that, man? To go. Now I says 2 girls there to go. Now I want to do this and I dropped the mic because our special guest is coming, right? Casino, you try your. Please, a round of applause for Casino. Yeah, now only Casino they pay me money, no they stress me. Casino say, Baba, say your account. No say this show today as today now. Ali Baba show they go on. Ali Baba chat me. Say, I want me to do my show. I say I did my guy show. Now I say Casino. He say, okay, your show now first. I say yes. Because I like what you did give me. I said, Papa, don't worry. Now my colleague. Call your colleague. You know, say, ask me, are you there now? This boy, case the show they go on now. I go do one for you. You be my guy.
God bless you, my brother. No PDT, Sha.
Okay, they never do that for you. I don't tell you, say, please.
See your fans, huh? Obasa, can I get Millennium Heights? Say me you not go. Oga, you can't go your house.
What?
Time don't go.
Ready?
See I'm there.
We should be tied don't go.
Where we are white.
Where
no, this one they stay with and that fat one they stay with.
Tied don't go. If they get house, they will sit down.
After party for driveway, we'll go party some beg.
Okay, no problem.
Because of those guys.
Nice one.
Correct, bless.
God bless you. Now, man, just start. Now, listen. Come on, then. As you did it, I will teach how they waste time. Now,
ladies and gentlemen, make some noise!
All right. Now, I want to say this. One thing about the rich, all right? One thing about the rich, I want to explain the difference between rich and poor. If I talk about you, you go shout, praise the Lord. Do you know both the rich and the poor borrow money? Are you aware? The rich borrow, the poor borrow. Difference. Rich borrow to invest, poor borrow to impress.
Nobody will no fit to make up. Nobody will no.
I mean, don't slap person. This will not be joke. I mean, don't slap him for my front where his voice lost. We dey ask am make explain wetin happen. He no fit talk. Because they say, no, you can't do me anything. What do you want to do to me? You can't. We just hear, bah! The full bus stop, all the motor in the pass, they march break. Everybody go stand, everywhere quiet. Who they slap, God they breathe fast. You know, so when you want cry now, cry where repay you. And you know say you don't fit do anything. Oh. Yeah, wahala then now when one guy has to say, wetin happen? They slap one guy. After the slap, he laugh before he cry. You don't see that before? I say give back, boy. The guy your turn. He look us. What did I do?
MC Casino's Game of Jones. The very good bad guys.
One time. You know the one with the drum, you know the one with the drum, right? One starter like this, one starter like this. Hey! If you remember, go 1, 2, say bang, 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 oh, bang, 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 who they you say waiting?
Somebody at the mommy's house. And they see the mommy's
let the person put you on. Let the person before you can tell. Bang, bang, oh, bang, 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 bang. You say waiting now?
And they see the mommy's let the person push you.
Hold on for me. Yeah, casino, mama de. Mommy, wave before I find you. I greet you specially, ma. I hear what your son talk. He said the room where he put you, me man not near you. I won't beg you. As I perform finish, they go. Because once as P square climb, for Gen Z is high, you be 16. If they raise you, forget about where you tie. For some boys, when they drink finish now, you wear mini skirt. What you happen to you go shock. That time you go say casino papa na useless man. He not take care of me. Now me now, you don't know me. You don't know me. We go start this show for where we end last year. Last year I was talking about men. I had to go tell live long. I go continue from there. Listen to this section. It go favor you. Many men don't die. I tell them, last year they talk ahead, they said they talk. I know it's how they talk. Many die because we won't meet up. We just won't compete. We try to will not even win. That in pain that guy. Because some of all this thing, and when you don't do a finish, you will not say you just waste your time. What are they talk about now? Women. They know what here they talk. He got some battle where you not even win. Stop competing with toys. You go die. I told them last year, some still die. Because they don't hear advice. As make a talk come again. So that this 2026, you go plan yourself. Especially this one way task, not everywhere. The little they pray for now, the way they go now, may not be safe for spam. They go so put task. Because this country, you must pay. You not fit dodge. From on Monday, now one make the shout. We are go verse. Now if they not put us for a shower head. Now we are go verse. A shower they need to they pay tax too. Make the thing complete. Because if they collect better money, or cannot follow me talk anything. And they talk now, they open one. Okay, now who get money, make her quiet. So say now this one they scratch head now, you don't die. Okay, you be good man, oh. You carry driver, they go sit down. This is good, oh. Carry driver, they enter show. Don't compete with toys. Guess don't buy one new toy, na tongue. If they put her for number 1, they do like this. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. That's what the thing they fast. It's very simple. You as a man, I bet do like this for 1 minute. Try out. Just continue for 1 minute. Oh, yeah, go they pay you. Yeah, go they pay you. You not feel meet up. Women don't turn us though. We just want meet up. That's every man now. Now regularly water bottle you they hold. You just they want shake things just to stay. Women not anything they want. You now they take for bed. Now they go complain. Look at you, 2 minutes man. You can't even last. You can't even do anything. Okay, now you thought they marry who they drink diesel and red oil. If they stay 6 hours, 7 hours, they say woman go complain. Do you want to kill me? If it's your sister, will you like it? I don't wait till you want. They one place more, know where you day. Woman go tell me you there 7 hours. So wait, flight from Nigeria to London. How many hours? 6 hours. So I go land London, I go they pass immigration. You see they kill yourself. Another one go put your height to. Anytime when you catch your girl where they use dildo, check them whether the dildo they always be your size. The dildo must big pass you. They know it's how they talk. Imagine I don't follow you for 5 years. See my property. See dildo where you buy.
Where them day?
You just sit there for your front. They ask me a question. More compare. See. For 5 years. Why you not tell me, say, since why they use my waist? Don't be waist as how to use leg. Why you not tell me, since? I they tell you 2026. Not kill yourself. Do the one if you do. If you want to go do anyone for us, I may go do anyone. That your competition they do, you will still die. You get money, you not get 6-pack. No problem. They go carry your money with your big belly. Go give who gets 6-pack. We not get at all. Take your money, take care of them. Now me now. All this one advice, so I know the crack joke. They tell you where. Now advice. Before I go crack joke. But the only thing why I love for girls. Wait, before I go down, ladies men that look me. Why be someone giving our property to? Why be saying I like to the whole things like this? They will go do like this. Some of.
I'm easy. Can we get
Wait,
DJ,
DJ, wait. I don't give something you hold like. When I'm wicked. So Robbie. Oh God. But one thing I like. I remember I told you yellow bros. Bros, so if you want to go peace, they go outside now. Shall be complain, they complain there. Now best if first you buy drink. You don't see man, you want to go peace, only one, I stand up. Girls not fit do like that. So if not girl want to go peace now, they go be like 4. They don't always go in set. They tell yourself, Chichi, Chinere, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. All of them are like that. But listen to me, Maleke, I'll cite you. One thing will make me like girls, the only thing will make me like girls, now it is. I like them. And now this in men need to copy from them. If they come, I like the way that they come. They know they shout. Woman, they go on. She won't come now. You're the artist like, Once she don't cross level, men learn. Which they hear for one hotel, and they hear Maleke, they come. God. Man go walk on, what do they now? All you go they grumble, like say the first you do what they do. You be goat. One guy they come for Lagos, his wife know his sound. The wife use a cash out. Wife when they come back from market, they hear the husband for his hotel. Now when the woman yells, he said, my husband be that. Open this hotel. I go burn this. Now that we need to learn. More learn that one. Another major thing, I don't know what man do, man. Women are the easy people, lovely people. They can appreciate themselves, things they move. If you want to enter, another thing that they call them for Lagos, that small bus. What are they call them for Benin here? Lagos and Korokbe, what they call them? What do they call them here? Okay, I call them Benin bus. Okay, mini. Oh, that's good. That kind of bus now, just a washer. I beg, help me with this chair. No verse, I beg. Oh, now ladies, there you cameraman. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Boss, I don't know why. We not just, even a woman. I beg, brother. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I want to beg you something. I be one beg you help me give me chair, but you don't rush sit down. Thank you. You know, say the day I don't want to make you give me yourself, even though you look like the chair, but me not like that. Now joke at the bros. I beg any girl where I be at. If you can join me, you feel at you don't say you're not gonna laugh. Just come join me now. Now simple something, don't worry. He best come for back, you go bless her with planner. I bet more clap for her. I'll dash her money. Bros, what did they have here? You don't have to pay Nana. Just sit down first, I'll tell you. That your mini boss now. Now that they shadow. I don't know where they call. Okay, must say Ring Road. Now everybody know for here. Abi? Talk to me now. Ring Road. I don't know waiting man do man. Men, we not like each other. But we sabi take care of women, even when we don't know them. Now for boss. My enter boss, body the pepper. You are not need to stress you. Yeah, you there now. You have to say you don't tire. Like you doze, like you don't tire. Man, we can take care of him, even when you don't know the person. Action. Ideo. Driver, you go do quick now, more go now. We dey take time. Why? Because the driver na man, body the pepper. He just turn, he just see who they. Only the man who got talk, she's tired. Who asked you? Who asked you? Then the next thing, continue. Beautiful girl. You are tired. Don't worry. Rest on me. We can take care of him. Man feed there like, rest now. Put your head like this. Man feed there like this. From Benin to Abuja. He born not go pay now. Thank you. I better clap for him.
Your nyas is the key.
Hold on, they go somewhere. To let you know that they walk every year. And they give you, and they walk. Because this year I do my tour. 40 and funny. So get ready for me. Chris man. Now, more government. We not like each other. Maleke, maybe I do this one. I beg. No, maybe I shut down. I never tell anything. This one I just normal thing. Bros, I beg come. Man! Yeah, man. We not like each other. Bros, come quick now. I want to show you for my joke. Come quick. I don't say you know me, but you take time. You don't say Benin people quick the first. Not go past here and see road here now. Okay, first. I not quick see now. Even though I forgot, but I beg. Thank you. Those one be narcotics like all. I don't understand for small. This bro self, I don't tire. Man! The same boss. What is that, Abi? But not for nakedness, Abi. Make I calm down. Okay. Man! But this is the pepper. Bros, you not go first because you know saying a lady that time. That's why I'm not stressed out. This one I'll stress you small. So this one you go stand up, enter like you the enter boss. You understand? So that the joke goes sweet. That one a lady, I don't want stress her. Man, don't sit down. Body to the pepper. I say sit down. Driver! When we go come up for this place now? Action. What do they wait? Oh! Oga, I go just beg you for something. In all you do for this boss, may your leg not touch me. Body the quick pepper us. I don't know why. We not all like each other. Then we are there so. Maybe you continue they check your. You feel you continue to check your leg. Driver! If not be say you take time for this place, this kind of person go enter this bus. We can like comfort for boss. Oga. May you do well, oh. I know as you talk now with that voice, you'd expect me to fear. But I won't beg you. You feel shift. You feel shift your leg. Now, my leg you got to like say they sleep. Same thing. Just those of like say you. No, you feel just first one. Like normal for this side. Not come my side again, man. But I mean I give you the script so now. Follow my script.
My face strong. My face resemble woman. I you for use.
That's why they use you because your face strong. I don't go use you resemble women. I don't want kiss man. So you do like say, bros, focus now. You do like say you want sleep. This is your face. The way they say, I sleep all day cash. Now where the wala? I didn't show one with a sweet where I bring. True. Now first I for bring. So now I do like say you the dose, then you the like those come aside. I see they complain, they go. Okay, you go mind? Driver, oh yeah. I better move. Shoot. Okay, I don't like the way they spread. If you want comfort, you for buy your own motor. Who's going to spread on mini bus now? Who's going to spread? Then just go carry your head, couple for my shoulder. Man. That's what they do for this country. That's what they do. You want? Man, we not.
You press my neck.
I don't press it for the acting. Bros, not press. Give it up for Maleke. Now, men for you be that. We not like each other at all. Another thing where you tell us our blood is hot. 2026, no offend army. They not be police mate. I tell you. Army don't slap person. This will not be joke. Army don't slap him for my front where his voice lost. With the answer may explain what happened. He not fit talk. Because they say, no, you can't do me anything. What do you want to do to me? You can't. We don't yet. The full bus stop, all the motor in the pass, they march break. Everybody go stand, everywhere quiet. Oh, they slap, God, they breathe fast. You know, not so why you want cry now. Cry where repay you. And you know say you don't do anything. Oh. Yeah, wahala then now when one guy has to say, what's he happen? We just say, we not dey hear you. You don't see slap. Army slap one guy for Lagos. After the slap, the guy price waiting not the see. As they give back, the guy just turn. Walk out go meet one woman, they say, come. He said, madam, give me 2 cups of beans. The woman said, na corn, they said. The guy said, na beans that they see. Give me beans, I don't die. They slap one guy. After the slap, he laugh before he cry. You don't see that before? I say, give back, boy. The guy, your turn. He look us. What did I do? Casino, what happened? 20 minutes, what Krishna? I don't tell you. I'm on a while, I like Toku. Make a dance for you. A man with this head. Don't say you look sexy like FS. I go talk. See your head. Make a dance. Bro, you don't see your head on mirror. Anytime you bathing in the face back, make person help you look at. With this head. This is your head. How you tell the give woman a blowjob? I be head. Head win. You use your forehead. Brothers, I love you dance for you. Don't whine me, I beg you. You should be make a dance for you. Make her sing down. Oh, now down you want. Okay, see, take her sing. Hey, hey, play DJ, play message. SS Love. Make her SS Love. Because this is your head. You understand? I wonder why they buy table where you get this guy head. They will put it for me to sit down around you. Right?
Trendy beats.
If you don't treat infection before, you go value this song. If you don't treat, hey God, you know what it mean? Make you the peace, you know they shout, you know they cry. Some people they peace, they, you know,
done so much for me, I cannot tell it all.
Everybody say. If I have 10,000 tongues, it still will be enough for again. Hold on. With this kind of song, then now we take crossover. Where there's more writes 7 prayer points. Who they near me? When I look at prayer point, I shock. The first one, number 1 prayer point, Father, strength to knock. Now me look the guy say, you know, go your life. This was a power. That is the way.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The Very Good Bad Guys.